Good day everyone, I'm James Millanes, BEd 1B, and this video lesson is all about Science, Technology, and Society. Chapter 4, the topic of climate change and energy crisis. So let's talk about climate change. Climate change is one of the fundamental challenges ever to confront humanity. Its adverse effects being seen may intensify over time if nothing is done about it. What is climate change? Climate change refers to the changes in the environmental condition of the earth. This happens due to many internal and external factors. The climatic change have become a global concern over the last few decades. Besides, this climatic change affect life on the earth in various ways. These climatic change are having various impact on the ecosystem and ecology. Due to these changes, a number of species of plant and animals have gone extinct. Cause of climate change. Most climate scientists agree that the main cause of current global warming trend is human expansion of the greenhouse effect. Warming that result when the atmosphere traps heat radiating from Earth towards space. Life on Earth is dependent in a atmosphere greenhouse, a layer of gases, primarily water vapor in the lower atmosphere. The trap heat from the sun as it's reflected back from the Earth, radiating in back and keeping our planet at a temperature capable of supporting life. What is greenhouse? Greenhouse gases is the atmosphere including water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Absorb heat energy and emit it in all directions, including downward, keeping Earth's surface and the lower atmosphere warm. Adding more greenhouse gases to the atmosphere enhance the effect, making Earth's surface and the lower atmosphere even warmer. Water vapor, the most abundant greenhouse gas but importantly act as a feedback to the climate. Water vapor increase as the Earth's atmosphere warm, but so doesn't the possibility of cloud and precipitation, making this some of the most important feedback mechanism to the greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide, a minor but very important component of the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is released through natural processes such as respiration and volcano eruption, and through human activities such as deforestation, land use changes, and during fossil fuels. Humans have increased atmospheric carbon dioxide consumption by more than a third since the Industrial Revolution began. The main source of excess carbon dioxide emission is the burning of fossil fuels, while deforestation has reduced the amount of plant life available to turn carbon dioxide to oxygen. Methane, a hydrocarbon gas produced both through natural sources and human activities, including the decomposition of waste in landfills, agriculture, and especially rice cultivation, as well as ruminant designation and nature management associated with domestic livestock. On a molecule for molecules basis, methane is a far more active greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide, but also one which is much less abundant in the atmosphere. Nitrous oxide, a powerful greenhouse gas produced by soil cultivation practices, especially the use of commercial and organic fertilization, fossil fuel combustion, citric acid, production and biomass burning. So, what are the effects of climate change? The effect of anthropogenic, human-caused climate change range from the more frequent and severe due to snowstorm and extreme winter weather in temperate regions as a result of warming Arctic weather front. So let's talk about energy crisis. What is energy crisis? The energy crisis is a broad and complex topic. Most people don't feel connected to its reality unless the price of gas at the pump goes up or there are lines at the gas station. The energy crisis is ongoing and getting worse despite many efforts. The reason for this is that there is not a broad understanding of the complex causes and solution for the energy crisis. Causes of energy crisis: overconsumption, overpopulation, poor infrastructure, unexplored renewable energy option, delay in consumption of power plants, wastage of energy, poor distribution system, major accident in natural calamities, war and attacks, miscellaneous factors. Here are the possible solutions to the energy crisis. Move toward renewable resources. Buy energy efficient products, lightning controls, easier grid access, energy simulation, performing energy audit, common stand on climate change. I hope that my discussion helped you to understand what is climate change and energy crisis. Thank you.